Hi, this is Kunal, and I wanted to talk about the property management business and why we created the Finna platform. What was the background to it? Property management as a field, which includes co-living, hostels, commercial rentals, malls, guest houses, any of these businesses where you are renting out your property on the short-term basis or slightly longer-term basis to create an income is a hard business, and especially in a country like India or other developing countries around the region. It's hard because it's a very fragmented and unstructured business, and generally you have five different functions which you need to do. One is, of course, you need to get more bookings, you need to get more revenues, you need to manage your expenses, you need to do sales, marketing, accounting, and as well as manage your inventory and your staff. So those all of those things become extremely complex, and generally people will have four or five different ways or four or five different systems to use them. So I mean, I used to be I founded a property management business about 10 years back, and one of the key problems was that I had different systems for everything. Either you don't have a system or you've got a system which doesn't integrate or talk to the other system. And there are so many moving parts to it, including how your revenue, how you're receiving revenue, that over time I realized that unless you have real-time information about what's happening in the business, essentially, you will have no money. So you will see that you're just going from month to month, and your profitability is extremely low. So even when your revenues are very high, even when you're selling a lot and everything's going well, the net contribution is actually very, very low. And some of the factors which at least I was able to identify was that you have, of course, you've got cancellations, you've got bad debt, you've got people not paying, you've got theft, you've got leakages, you've got expenses, you've got waste, which happens a lot in inventory. You don't count the inventory properly. So your reporting is not real time, so you don't even know what's happening. You can't change your rates regularly. So there are a myriad of factors, like lots and lots of factors that come together. And if you were the potential, which we sort of calculated, was that our business should have been making, let's say, 100 rupees or $100 of profit. Essentially, you came up making only 20 or 30. So it's not about the top line; it's also about the bottom line. And we can talk about some of these things, that reduce and how we can actually uh, make that easier. So we created this Finna platform for ourselves and some of our business associates. And over a period of time, we've actually converted into a SaaS platform, an easy to use one, which is not very common in the industry, because my experience is that all the systems in the industry, either they are very heavy on revenue, or they're accounting platforms, or they're property management, they don't have the accounting, or they're not localized to the conditions here. So they have, and of course they're fairly complicated. So so it one of the things, of course, we spoke about was that you have to be able to manage everything from one system, one easy to use system which the whole organization use. I think, and that's quite hard. Like we've been building the system for many years, and it's a difficult problem to solve, but we'll talk about how we've done that. So what do you need? What are the four different functions? What are the four key things that you need to take control of any business which has got you know which is a real estate business or a property management business? One is, of course, reservations and guest control. That's really critical. You need to be able to sell more. You need to communicate to guests at scale. You need to be able to get remarketing. The second thing is accounting, um, which is becoming more and more difficult as you've got various forms of receiving money. Then you've got GST compliance, you've got billing. You might be giving credit to certain companies. You might have bad debt. You want to control that. The third is of operations, of course, and inventory management, and the fourth is, I think, one of the things that property management systems don't do very well is expense management. So can you create an simple accounting entries so that all the expenses of the properties are captured and you get a quick P&L? So you know exactly, even let's say you get a report, a night audit, you know exactly what's happening in your property, and you're not blindsided. You're not like, oh, I don't know, what my P&L is. I don't know what my profitability is. Yeah, so we created this PMS, which is called the Finna PMS, to be an all-in-one PMS. Easy to use, browser-based, no installation, can be used on any laptop, internet connection, and also it's tablet-based. So also you will have multiple logins for, one for owners, and also for your property managers. We've also got a login for the guests, but we can talk about that. Um, Bookings, I think we focused a lot on you can receive bookings from anywhere, online, offline, walk-in, OTAs, like Airbnb, Booking.com. You can also have a channel manager, and you will get a simple multi-calendar where you can see all your inventory. You can see your entire inventory and what you've sold at and what's available. And that's a very powerful view. That's the first powerful view that you get as a business owner. We've also created a phone-based application to make it easier for the managers to use. One of the key things feedback we've got was that some of these systems are very complicated. So managers don't find it easy to use because they may have various levels of qualification or education. So it's very easy to use, very intuitive, very phone-based, very um, simple to use. And I said, like, one of the key things is finances. You've all your finance. It doesn't. We will not be able to substitute for a complete accounting system like a Tally or a Zero or a QuickBooks, but it has the basic accounting features. You will get all your invoices. You will get all your expenses. You will be able to see your basic P&L per property. So if you've got 5 properties and you want to see the property wise profitability of each of them standalone, you will be able to do that. You will be able to send simple reports to your investors if you've got investors as well. Some of the reports, profit loss, as I said, a night audit report, you will get a daily night audit report, cancellation refunds, because that's very important to keep a view of, payment reports, like, how are people paying? Because over the years, we've seen there's been a complete change. Earlier, it should be very cash heavy. Now it's very online intensive. And so you want to see the right mix, like how are well, obviously, because there is a lot of, whenever you have cash, you have issues. So you want to maintain a complete check. So you can also calculate the the cash, petty cash, amount, how much cash is on each property, which is basically your receivables minus the expenses that the managers have paid. And of course, GST, invoices, and accounting reports. We've also included a lot because this is a reputation-based business, this is a review-based business. So we've created a lot of client communication channels. So one is, of course, when the clients book, they will receive an email. When they come to the property, you can start selling other services like F&B or tours, travels, etc. So it's very powerful. It's almost like a communication tool for your business. They receive their invoices over email. You can also send, if they're ordering any F&B, they also have a phone-based application where they can sell. You can sell F&B, and they can get a notification by WhatsApp. So that's another way of communicating. WhatsApp, email, and that ensures that. And over a period of time, you will build your large database of clients who you can do remarketing. So a lot of our clients tell us that they're using that database to do remarketing during lean seasons and creating more bookings. And of course, you can send review emails, which is really, really key. So all of that can be automated. You can set up your communication frequency with your guest. You can also save the profile of the guest. So for instance, if you've got rentals, you might want to save leases. So the leases and the IDs can be saved. And the next time they come, or let's say you want to have details like, how much security to pay, how much lump sum to pay. So all the calculations are also there on the system. You also have a food ordering. So we've got a food ordering application as well as our restaurant module. So you can actually use that. And you can order any food and beverage within the room. And it's also, even if they don't actually use the online payment, it's like an e-menu, which becomes very powerful because you don't have to print anything. You can change the prices, you can change items, and then you can make changes on a regular basis. So this is something that our clients really, really like. You got your own mobile application for ordering. And website and SEO. So another thing is that we do offer websites as well. So you can actually have an integrated website and a booking engine. So we are integrated with AirPay and a couple of other payment gateways, and then you can just use that to receive bookings. So you can also have your own booking engine if you want for your own properties, and then you can bypass some of the OTAs and start selling directly and save a lot of the commission. For instance, somebody might call you and say, okay, I want to book, but you may not have a way of actually sending them. So you can send them a smart invoice. Once they receive the invoice, they can make the payment. It just goes straight into your PMS system. And that way you can even give them the option of paying on site, which is like, pay 10% and the rest on arrival. That's actually quite powerful. So that's another feature where you can actually take charge of your entire bookings. You can actually start converting a lot of the OTA clients into your own direct clients over a period of time. Three easy steps. We of course, we do a demo to assess. You can assess the suitability of the platform. You can see if it's actually a good fit for you. As I said, we may not be a good fit for every business case, and so that's one. We then set up. If you have to give us some information about the rooms, the rates, etc., basic information. We give you a setup. You can try it out free. Takes 15 days, 30 days. Take a free trial, and if you do like it, then we are happy. Then at the end of that period, you get a invoice, and we bill you at the end of 1 month. So it's a risk free. So there is absolutely no risk to trying out the system. Um, that's resources to get you started. We've got a video YouTube channel which has got a lot of information. We've improving the help on the website itself, on the application itself. Our team is always available, and so we are very passionate about giving good customer service. And so we'll have the links in this video itself. And so yeah, that's a little bit about how we are trying to help property managers. Our objective is, of course, to help you grow your business. So that's it from my side. From the Finner team, we would be really glad to answer any questions, and hope to speak soon. Thanks a lot.